guys, hello my beautiful and wonderful people. How are you all doing? You are welcome to Divines TV. If today is your first time of coming here, you are welcome. My old subscribers, you know I love you. I can't stop loving you. You are always welcome to this channel. You know, in this channel we do a lot of things. What you just want, just select it, go down below. You are going to see it there. So today we are in my kitchen. You know, we have my kitchen here. We have everything good here. So I want to teach you how I make mayonnaise at home. Okay, I love to make my mayonnaise at home. I love to know what I put inside of my mayonnaise. I want healthy mayonnaise. It's very, very important. I have a lot of way I make my mayonnaise. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of it. Okay, it's also good and healthy for you, and I have another one that will be coming very soon. It's so good. God bless you all for coming here. You are just blessed. I love you all that is sharing, that is subscribing, that is just commenting. God bless you. In this channel is not a place for one video. You are going to see a lot of video in this channel, a lot of good stuff in this channel. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Let me go and start without wasting much of your time. It's just short and simple. You do it. It's also good. You make it at home for you and your kids. If your kids love sweet ones, I will still teach you how to do it. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. You're welcome. Just relax and watch.
Egg,
thank you
olive
for coming.
oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon, black pepper, and Marian. And you can decide to add any spice you want, okay, for your own flavor. You can decide to use this oil, vegetable oil. It's still good too. But because I want it to be healthy, I am using olive oil. You break one egg inside the plastic you are using or your blender. Okay, you use only hand blender. Okay, know that if you use blender it's not good, but it will be more, it will not be thicker. It's better to use hand blender or mixer. So I add lemon to it like this. It's very, very simple to do. It's healthy. I add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just little I add to it. So some add sugar to it. In the store there is sugar on it, but this is salt. And I want to add a little bit of brown sugar, just a little bit because of the kids. Okay, so the kids like it to have sugar in it. So I add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of Marian just spice. You can decide to add any spice you want as far as you are making it at home. So guys, you just press it down, move it, don't raise it. You start moving it. So some minutes you raise it up, so it will start getting thicker. So when you just start blending it immediately, it will not be thick. But when you just place it at the egg yolk, you press it down. When you see that it's getting thicker, you raise it up. So that is it. We are done. We are done. You have your mayonnaise at home to eat your salad or to make your bread, your sandwich, salad sandwich, egg sandwich. So it's so good. As I said before, I'm going to be bringing another mayonnaise in this channel that is more healthy for vegans. Okay, it's so good, guys. Try it. You are going to love it. You are going to love it. You know what you add into your mayonnaise. Guys, in this channel a lot of things will be coming here. This is inspirational channel. This is the channel for not just one video but for all good video. You are welcome always. You see the way it is. You see the way it is. You use it to enjoy your salad. You use it to make your bread sandwich. You use it to make what you want to make. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So guys, as you can see, we are done. You see? Do you see the texture? You can decide for it to be thicker more than this, but it's so good this way, and it's so flavored. When you so good. You make this at home yourself. You know what is inside of it is healthy. You can use you can decide not to add sugar on your own at home. Okay, when you the one you buy in store, not that it's not bad, but if you want to limit your sugar intake, it's better for you to do your mayonnaise at home. Okay, so I have salad here with me. It's just so simple. You just add it to it. I'm just going to add it to it. You see, that is okay for me. You can decide to add more.
Put it in the fridge. You can decide to make it for 4 days or
just
2 days. or 3
It's
days
also good.
or 1 week.
You see? The same thing. There is nothing that is different about it with the mayonnaise you buy in the supermarket. It's just same. It's just same. It's just same. You see? It's so creamy. Even look at the spoon. Still creamy. So guys, this is good for you. Just try it out. You are going to love it. So good. I love you. Keep on loving yourself. Be happy with yourself. Love yourself. Let anybody bring down your vibe, okay?
Subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye bye.